Hello students, today we are going to start standard 7th subject maths, chapter number 4, angles and pairs of angles. That means in this chapter we will study angles and pairs of angle. So practice set 15, question number 1. Observe the figure and complete the table of angle AWB. That means this diagram is given to you and you have to complete the table. So now this is angle AWB. Inside this angle, these points are called as interior points. Outside points are called as exterior points, and the point which are on the angle, they are called points in the arms of the angle. So students, now we will complete this table. They have given you point in the interior. Students, you have to take from here point R, point C, point N, point X, like this. Point in the exterior, point T, point U, point Q, point V, point Y. Points in the arm of the angles, that means on the angle, that is point A, point W, point G, point B. Like this you have to complete this table. Now we will shift to question number 2. Name the pairs of adjacent angles in the figures given below. This one figure is given to you and they told you to find the adjacent pair. Okay, now what is adjacent? Their arms and their origin should be equal with each other. That is adjacent. So the pair of adjacent angle are angle ANB. That means this angle is adjacent to this angle C, BNC. Same way again I will take this BNC and angle CNA. See the third one, again CNA with angle ANB. So these are adjacent with each other. Now we shift to next. This is the second figure. Now in this the pair of adjacent angle is TQP. This angle is adjacent to this angle, angle RQP. Like that you have to write. Now see question number 3. Are the following pairs of angle adjacent? If not, state the reason. That means you have to look this picture and answer the question that these angles are adjacent or not. Okay, if not, then state the reason. Here the first angle PMQ. So PMQ and angle RMQ. Now see here students, here the arm is same and origin also same. See, and they are opposite also with each other. So are adjacent angle. You can look here PMQ, that means this angle are adjacent to this angle, like this. See the second RMQ, that means this angle and SMR. So these are not adjacent angle. Why it is not adjacent? Their interior are not separates. Third angle RMS, this angle and RMT. This is also are not adjacent angle. Why? Their interiors are not separated. Fourth one SMT and RMS. You can look here. SMT and angle RMS. So students, these are adjacent. Why? See here SMT here and RMS. their arms are adjacent. So here we stop. In the next video I will show you practice set 16. Thank you students.